Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in CapCut. So first of all, you want to choose a video and upload it to CapCut, start a new project, and then if you want to reverse a part of the video, not the whole one, then you need to go ahead to the part where you want the reverse to start. So for example here, and now you want to click on the video itself and you will see the option split, so you want to split it. Now you go ahead and choose an option where you want the video reverse to stop, and you're gonna again click on split. If you want to reverse the whole video, just basically select the whole video. I'm gonna select the option where which I have split it. And now when you choose the video where the video part where you want to reverse it, now you go ahead and scroll to the very end almost until you see the button reverse right here after opacity. So you're gonna click on reverse and basically it will load up. And now when you play the video, now as you can see it goes in reverse. And yeah, so that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.